Sister Petra. Warrior for Jesus, warrior.
What happened to you now?
I just love you. You know that. I just love to look at you. What's wrong?
At you know.
I'm sorry, oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's wrong with you?
Bum there to your squeeze.
So we are not going to do anything today. We're just going to lay down and relax, right?
Yeah. Today is our rest day.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Isn't it today my sister is coming, Janelle? My twin sister.
So you did tell her that she must come?
She asked me, you remember a few months ago I told you that she said she wanted to come, so she called me yesterday and said that she's coming today.
Yeah, but you never confirmed that with me.
I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't remember. Oh.
Honey, you can't go about doing things like that. You need to confirm with me.
That's true. Oh. I don't know how it slipped my mind.
So you okay with her to come here?
I guess so, maybe because she's my twin sister, you know, I don't even know because I don't know the kind of woman she is now, but she said that she's a Christian in the village, so I decided to give her a try. What do you think? I'm very sorry, I didn't say it to you before.
Right now, I think it's a good idea for you to come here now. You can't tell her so nobody come.
I don't even know if she left the village already, so if I am to call her and tell her not to come, I don't think it would be a good idea. So why we don't let you come just for a few days and leave then? I'm sorry I didn't say it to you. I don't know what come over me. Why are you so scared of her not coming here?
No, because me not used to nobody here with us, honey. Remember, all this time is just we alone there here, you know.
That's true, that's true.
And to bring somebody in our space, I don't think that's a good idea.
I understand, but she said she's a Christian and she wants to come and just spend some time where we can read our Bibles together and all of that. But I don't really know much about her. You know, because I leave the village very long time. You know that.
Okay then. Since it's your sister and everything, well, we can give her a try, because if my brother want to come here and stuff like that, I would give them a try also, so.
I don't really want anybody to stay very long among us still, you know, so I'll just try her for just a few days. I don't even know how she come up with the idea of come and stopping by, you know. It's weird. Because she asked from a long time and then she just called yesterday and said she wants to come to see us.
Okay. But next time you need to discuss with me first before you go ahead and just agree like that without me knowing.
I'm sorry, honey. It's true. I shouldn't make any decision without you. Because we don't normally do that, right?
No.
And I'm wondering if it's really a good idea, if it's because she know that we are doing movies together, why she wants to come and spend some time. Like she wants to know us or so. You think so?
Well, I don't know, and I don't want to really judge anybody like that. So when she come, we'll see exactly what she really up to.
Okay. But I'm still concerned.
What I am saying, why you don't give her a call and see how far she reach, so at least we can get the place in order and can go meet her and stuff like that.
You think that's a good idea?
Yeah, we can go meet her, why not? Or you can go meet her, meanwhile I'm there and prepare something for us to eat.
Okay. I don't think I'm going to really grab anything heavy to eat this morning. You know, I think I'm going to do that. I'll just have a little bit of tea or something.
I'm going to make some tea for myself then.
Okay. That's a better idea.
Just call her. I make some tea.
So you just get it up like that? You just get it up like that? I love you.
I love you too, honey. Just call her.
Okay. So you will straighten up the bed and all of that for me?
No,
while I
man,
go and
just
get
call
ready?
her. I'm going to make the tea. My mom tell us I'm going to make some tea.
Okay.
Just call her and hear how far she reach.
Okay. Hello, Janelle. How are you? It's Josiah. Hey, so you leave out already? house here. Okay. Okay then. I'll just get ready and come and meet you outside, okay? It seems like you leave out pretty early to get here. Hey. So mommy she's okay. Alright, no problem. My husband is fine, oh. He's okay. You know I didn't get a chance to let him know tell him that you were coming, you know that? I didn't remember anything because you called so sudden and said you're coming. And you said you're still a Christian. Hey. Okay, I think everything will be okay. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit, oh. I'm going to get ready and come and meet you. Alright, have a good one, oh. Bye-bye. Why that girl would want to leave out so early to come to my house? Huh. I thought she would leave out in the day, so we could have some time to fix up our place for her. Let me go and put on my clothes, go in the bathroom and bathe. That girl is something else. Go down, so. Go down. Hey. I wonder if I the right place me there. Because this no look like say where my sister live. I'll call there. This not. My sister shouldn't call me and tell me if a different place she move go, you know. Lord God, I wonder if I the right place me there. And my sister place this higher. Then she put on all gate and not even call me and tell me. Since she married, it look like she not even have no communication with her people them because she get rich. Me not like that, you know. Josiah! Place really look different. Josiah! Why she not hurry up and come out of the house, make me come out of the sun? The sun a burn me, you know. Josiah! Morning, sister. Hey, Janelle. Morning, oh. How did you are coming to my house and you don't even tell me that you were coming here this early, oh? You know that I don't like people coming to my house without calling me. Eh? You think you know easy down here? You think me no know say you are your husband down here they do movie? Eh? You don't even call me for me come in it. And that's why me hurry up and come out of the house and remember if tell you no say me they come here now. Okay, I'm very sorry, sis. So you not plan to open the gate me can't get to come in your yard? You turn up there and they watch me out here so they burn up in this home. Come, you can come, my sis. Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
Sister Petra. Warrior for Jesus, warrior. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Satan, me a the word, the armor, the Bible, the sword, Holy Ghost inside, and me feel well proud. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Warrior for Jesus, warrior. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Satan, me a the word, the armor, the Bible, the sword, Holy Ghost inside, and me feel well proud. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh.
Man a warrior for Jesus, I'm a come up. When a breakthrough a come down a hell flat out. The devil work from night till sun come up.